Hey guys, it's another day. I'm up here in Fernwood, Mississippi. I'm kind of sweaty. It's early morning, but I yanked out everything out of my van because we're going to redo the floors today. And then, after the floors are done, try to get a new bed, and then get the heck out of Dodge. It's Tommy's van redo number 2. We're ripping out the vinyl flooring, and you could see that insulation down there. It is disgusting. Like, I'm really like, ugh. I might need a paint scraper to get some of it off. Like, I don't even know what that is. Like, ugh. And then we're going to patch some of these holes because the holes are getting a little rusty. We got to stop the rust, and stuff like that. Maybe get a wire brush in there, do that stuff. There's a little rust accumulation in some spots, but it seems okay. It's all surface rust. There's see, it's even coming up with a finger there. Like this rust right here, it's like, it's just dirt rust. But that's it. So what I'm doing is I'm actually getting this vinyl floor off, and or this rubberized vinyl, I should say. And I'm gonna put it on as a template. So I know all the different curves and stuff that I need to go around, like the wheel hubs and stuff like that. See, I got the insulation up. You can see a couple of those frame bolts there are totally rusted out. It was so gross. Like the insulation underneath the matting was, put it in one word, moist. It was disgusting. Now we have cleanup to do. There's the poo bucket. There's the batteries that I just took out. And there's the wall of electric. I got to take everything out of the van so I could lay down the insulation. I'm going to draw my template right now off of the vinyl floor, and then I'll actually cut the foam insulation first and see how that works. Yeah, it looks satisfying when it starts to get really clean. I'm wiping everything down with shop towels right now. I created a wind tunnel to dry a lot of the stuff. I hosed everything down to get a lot of the dirt out and stuff, and I used a couple of shop towels to get the main dirt out, and I'll give it another wipe down after it starts drying a little bit. But I got this big fan blowing it out right now, and it's a nice breeze out here when it feels like, I don't know, it might be 100 degrees out here right now. But since I don't have the fan on in my van, yeah, it gets a little hot. So I think I gotta put JB Weld in all the little holes. Might have to kick out some of the dirt out of these disgusting little holes and stuff like that. But cover up the holes, then spray down on the floors some 3M Super 77 and lay down the insulation after I cut it. This is the third time I'm in Lowe's again. And it's because I got liquid nails, joint compound to fill up the holes. And unfortunately, after I snapped it open and tried to put a pin in it, it would not work. And it broke my caulking gun. So now it's time to find a different brand. This is showing you that I laid the vinyl from the van on top of 3 sheets of 4x8 foam insulation. And I'm going to trace out a pattern. And hopefully when I cut it out, it'll all fit together as insulation in the van. So satisfying. To tell you the truth, I'm not looking forward to any of this. I'm so exhausted, but I need to get this done because I want to go on the road as soon as possible. And I need to get the new floor in before I put a new bed or even walls in. So wish me luck. Well, there's dark clouds all around us. So rain isn't good for wood or styrofoam, like insulation. But you can see the van is packed full of all this stuff I'm working on. But the insulation is in there, but it's not glued down yet because I'm using it as a template for the wood. I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning. And hopefully the floor is really good. And maybe I can make a new bed tomorrow or get a futon or something like that. But I think right now I'm gonna end the day and just drink. So remember, put a like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. That helps me every day. It puts a smile on my face. And I hope you guys really have a great night.